Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we'll be talking about Click and Grow. It's an awesome device that lets you grow things indoor. Yes, indoor. And what I mean by that, you can grow vegetables, you can grow fruits, and you can grow flowers all in one device. Okay, here we go. So there are a very few simple steps to follow, and that's it. All what you have to do is to pull this out, open it, and we add the pod in, like making coffee, pretty much like making coffee. You lock it, and one of the important steps is to use one of these capsules, and the reason is it keeps the humidity inside, and this guy here absorbs the water, and that's how it gets the water. You close it and plug it in. It takes a second. Voila, that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you have learned something new. If you wanna see how my plants will look like 3 weeks after, hit subscribe and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.